Who has visited Italy and not experienced Tuscany? Well, we can agree that they have seen nothing. With its rolling hills, charming medieval towns, and world-renowned cuisine and wine, Tuscany is a must-visit destination for any traveler. In this video, we'll be counting down the top 10 towns to visit in Tuscany. So grab a glass of Chianti and join us as we explore the best of Tuscany. What ancient city in Tuscany has ties to the Etruscans and the Romans, boasts beautiful medieval architecture, and is known for its artisanal alabaster crafts? The answer is our number 10 spot, Volterra. If you're planning a trip to Volterra, there are plenty of things to do and see. Start by checking out the Roman Theater, which has been around since the 1st century BCE and still hosts performances today. Then, make your way to the Etruscan Museum to learn about the fascinating culture of the area's former inhabitants through their pottery, jewelry, and other artifacts. For some amazing views of the Tuscan countryside, take a stroll along the medieval walls. These impressive walls were built in the 13th century and offer breathtaking views of the surrounding area. And no visit to Volterra would be complete without visiting the Cathedral of Santa Maria Assunta. This 12th century cathedral is a true work of art, featuring stunning architecture and beautiful artwork. Next on our list is Arezzo. This is home to one of the most picturesque squares in Tuscany, the Piazza Grande. Surrounded by medieval buildings, this square is a sight to behold. Be sure to check out the Romanesque apse of the Santa Maria della Pieve church while you're there. If you're interested in history and art, you won't want to miss the frescoes by Piero della Francesca in the Basilica of San Francesco. These works are considered some of the most important of the Renaissance period. No trip to Tuscany is complete without indulging in the local cuisine. Be sure to try the hearty ribollita soup made with bread, vegetables, and beans. And the delicious cinghiale, a local specialty of wild boar that can be prepared in a variety of ways. Number 8. Siena. First up is the iconic Piazza del Campo. It's the heart of Siena and one of the most stunning medieval squares in Italy. You'll find the Palazzo Pubblico there, which houses the Civic Museum and the famous Torre del Mangia, a 334-foot bell tower. Another must-see landmark is the Siena Cathedral. It's a masterpiece of Gothic architecture with intricate marble floors, stunning stained glass windows, and ornate decorations. You should also check out the Palazzo Chigi Saracini, a 14th century palace that's home to an impressive collection of Italian Renaissance paintings, musical instruments, and medieval armor. Number 7. Cortona. If you're a history buff, you won't want to miss the Museo dell'Accademia Etrusca. This museum houses an impressive collection of Etruscan and Roman artifacts, as well as Renaissance paintings and sculptures. Cortona is also home to the beautiful Santa Maria Nuova Church, which dates back to the 16th century. Be sure to check out the stunning frescoes and artwork inside. For a taste of local culture, head to the Piazza della Repubblica. This charming square is lined with cafes, restaurants, and shops, and is the perfect place to sit and soak up the atmosphere. And of course, no trip to Tuscany would be complete without indulging in the local cuisine. Cortona is known for its hearty meat dishes, such as the famous bistecca alla fiorentina, a T-bone steak grilled to perfection. Another must-try dish is the pici alla ione, a traditional Tuscan pasta dish with garlic and tomato sauce. Number 6. Montalcino. Are you a wine lover looking to explore the stunning Tuscan countryside? If so, Montalcino is the perfect destination for you. Here are some things to do, places to visit, and food to try during your visit. No trip to Montalcino would be complete without a visit to one of the many vineyards in the area. The town is famous for its Brunello di Montalcino wine, which is made from Sangiovese grapes grown in the surrounding hills. Many vineyards offer tours and tastings, allowing you to sample some of the best wines in Italy. Another must-see attraction is the San Antimo Abbey, a beautiful Romanesque church located just outside of Montalcino. The abbey is famous for its Gregorian chants, which can be heard during daily mass. Be sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a like if you are enjoying the content. Number 5. Montepulciano. One of the town's main attractions is its famous Vino Nobile di Montepulciano wine. You don't want to miss out on a visit to one of the local vineyards for a wine tasting and to learn about the history of this beloved red wine. When you're not indulging in wine, take a stroll through the town center and check out the Palazzo Comunale. This impressive 14th century town hall boasts a stunning clock tower and frescoes by Taddeo di Bartolo, a renowned Renaissance painter. Now let's talk about food. One must-try local specialty is pici, a hand-rolled pasta that is a staple of Tuscan cuisine. Another delicious option is the cacio e pepe, a simple yet flavorful pasta dish made with cheese and pepper. Number 4. San Gimignano. Famous for its medieval towers, so be sure to take a stroll through the town center to see the 14 remaining towers that date back to the 13th century. They offer breathtaking views of the countryside. Next, head to the Piazza del Duomo to see the Collegiate Church of San Gimignano, which features impressive frescoes and artwork from the Renaissance period. You can also check out the nearby Museum of Sacred Art to learn more about the church's history. If you love wine, San Gimignano is known for its Vernaccia di San Gimignano, a delicious white wine made from the Vernaccia grape. And last but not least, don't miss out on trying the Gelato di San Gimignano, which is made with local ingredients and has won multiple awards for its delicious flavor. Enjoy a scoop while wandering through the town's charming streets. Number 3. Lucca. Firstly, walk along the city walls that surround Lucca. The walls were built in the 16th and 17th centuries and offer stunning views of the city and the surrounding landscape. You can rent a bike or take a stroll along the path that circles the walls. Next, head to the Piazza del Anfiteatro, a unique square that was built on the site of an ancient Roman amphitheater. The square is surrounded by cafes and restaurants, making it a great place to grab a drink or a bite to eat. For those interested in music, Lucca is home to the annual Lucca Summer Festival, which attracts top performers from around the world. The festival is held in the Piazza Napoleon and offers a great opportunity to enjoy live music in a stunning setting. Number 2. Pisa. The Leaning Tower of Pisa is undoubtedly the city's most famous attraction, and it's a must-visit spot for anyone visiting Pisa. You can climb the tower for panoramic views of the city, but be prepared for a bit of a workout as the tower leans at a pretty steep angle. Next, head to the Piazza dei Miracoli, Square of Miracles, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that features not only the Leaning Tower, but also the Pisa Cathedral and the Baptistry of St. John. All of these buildings are stunning examples of Romanesque architecture and offer a glimpse into the city's rich history. If you're interested in art, visit the Museo Nazionale di San Matteo, which houses an impressive collection of Italian art from the 12th to the 17th centuries. The museum is located in a former monastery and features work by famous artists like Botticelli and Ghirlandaio. Number 1. Florence. This is a beautiful city that's known for its rich history, art, and architecture. There are plenty of must-see places to visit in Florence, such as the stunning Duomo Cathedral, the famous Uffizi Gallery Art Museum, the Ponte Vecchio Bridge, and the lively Piazza della Signoria Square. Additionally, you can also take a stroll through the beautiful Bamboli Gardens located behind the Pitti Palace. As for food, Florence is famous for its Tuscan cuisine, which includes dishes such as ribollita, a hearty soup made with bread and vegetables, bistecca alla fiorentina, a succulent steak grilled to perfection, and papa al pomodoro, a delicious tomato and bread soup. You can also indulge in some amazing pasta dishes like pepperdelle al cinghiale, pasta with wild boar sauce, and tortellini di patate, potato-filled pasta. And of course, no trip to Florence would be complete without trying some of the city's famous gelato. You will find plenty of gelaterias around town serving up delicious creamy gelato in a variety of flavors. Thank you for watching. If you liked our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content on travel and lifestyle. Don't forget to comment below and let us know which of these places you would love to visit someday.